Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig. Take your paper. Take your favorite pencil or crayons. We will draw together, slowly, step by step. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just follow my lines. Stay with me until the end. You will see Peppa fully colored and smiling. First, I draw Peppa's cute little nose and her round head. Now I add her eyes. And her big smiling mouth. When we draw her ears, Peppa Pig starts to appear. With just a few simple lines, we draw her dress. Now the legs, the tail, the feet, and the hands. Look closely. What is she holding? It's Peppa Pig's dinosaur toy. See? You can do this. And just like that, we are finished. Now you can color Peppa with any pencils, crayons, or markers you like. You did a wonderful job today. See you in our next drawing adventure.